The Screw Banding Tool XL, heavy duty, built for wide stainless steel bands up to 20 mm. The screw mechanism at the front applies precise tension. The cutting lever at the side trims the excess in one clean pull. The Screw Banding Tool XL arrives in multiple parts, easy to assemble straight out of the box. It takes just 2 simple steps. You might know the standard screw banding tool from our previous video. The XL is the bigger, heavier duty version, and side by side, the difference is clear. Wider jaw, more substantial build, made for wider bands. Want to see it in action on a real pole installation? Check out our standard screw banding tool video, link in the description.